Tracking another warm and windy day tomorrow before our weather alert day goes into effect. We're going to see temperatures dropping down to about 50 degrees overnight and topping out near 60 again tomorrow before that rain starts to move in. But we are going to see some major changes between Wednesday night into Thursday as the rain starts to move in, becomes heavy, and then eventually shifts over as temperatures drop. I'm expecting us to see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain across a lot of mid-Missouri, but the highest amounts are going to be here in this flood watch. This is in effect from tomorrow night into Thursday night for that threat of 1 to 2 inches of rain, potentially seeing some higher amounts in some spots where we get a few thunderstorms on Wednesday night. On top of that, we also have winter impacts to deal with. Starting likely early Thursday morning through Thursday night, we could see a changeover from rain to a wintry mix and eventually accumulating snow. All of that could create slick conditions on the roads through much of the day on Thursday and possibly into Friday morning as well. Here's what it looks like out the door tomorrow morning. I've stopped here at 6 o'clock. We are going to see temperatures near 50 degrees, but we'll start to see rain moving in towards the afternoon. Despite those warm temperatures, we're going to get up to about 60 degrees. Those showers start to move in and start to really fill in towards evening. Here's what it looks like by early Thursday morning. I'm expecting that changeover from rain to a wintry mix to happen before sunrise, especially for areas north of I-70. That freezing line will continue to slide to the south throughout the morning, and by lunchtime, just about all of us will be starting to see accumulating snowfall on top of that icy glaze. So it's definitely going to be slick very early on Thursday. That last push of snowfall starts to move out by Thursday night, but temperatures drop down to about 10 degrees. So anything left untreated is likely still going to be slick on Friday morning. Here's the rain tracker. Most of this going to fall within the next 2 days. And after that, we'll start to dry out at least until about Tuesday of next week. 1 to about 2.5 inches seems likely for much of the area, especially for the southern half of the state. I also want to show you the ice tracker. This is what we can expect with that first round of precipitation that starts to change over. This is where we could end up with the slick glaze before the snow starts to fall. Anywhere from around a glaze to 1/10 of an inch seems likely for some of those areas along I-70. I am expecting anywhere from around 2 to 4 inches of snowfall for a lot of the area that'll be impacted, and that generally means anywhere north of Highway 50. Farther south, we could see around 1 to 2 inches, and that would include areas near Jefferson City and the Lake of the Ozarks. High-end amounts looking less likely, but possible across our far northern counties, generally north of Moberly up towards Macon and across northern Missouri. Still going to have some traffic impacts, though. Not too bad tomorrow morning, just going to be windy as you're heading out the door. In the evening, it's still above freezing, but the rain gets much more heavy by the time we get past sunset. And then plan to stay home if you can on Thursday and Thursday night. That's when I'm expecting things to continue to be slick. And even on Friday morning, we'll still likely have some slick spots due to the cold temperatures. By the afternoon, though, our weather alert day expires and we'll get back above freezing with highs in the upper 30s. The weekend looks really nice. We shouldn't have any issues if you have plans. We're getting up into the upper 40s on Saturday, near 60 on Sunday, and then next week we're starting off mild with another chance of rain by Tuesday.